Now, physical significance of A and G. Now consider a system of fixed composition. System of fixed composition means a closed system. And for that closed system, for the finite change in A, we have delta A for finite change in A. काय आहे? Delta A is equal to delta E minus T delta S. कशासाठी? For the closed system, for finite change in A, we have equation delta A is equal to delta E minus T delta S. And from second law of thermodynamics, delta S is equal to Q reversible upon T. Therefore, we can write Q reversible is equal to T into delta S. According to second law of thermodynamics, we write this relation. Now, substituting the value in this equation, we have delta A is equal to delta E minus Q reversible. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now, according to first law of thermodynamics, we have delta E, that is change in internal energy, is equal to Q reversible plus W reversible. But rearranging this, W reversible is equal to delta E minus Q reversible. Now, if this work is done by the system, then it is negative. Therefore, we can write minus W reversible is equal to delta E minus Q reversible. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now, comparing equation 1 and 2. On comparing equations 1 and 2, we have काय बघा, इथं delta E minus Q reversible आहे, इथं पण delta E minus Q reversible आहे. So, we have delta A is equal to minus W reversible or minus delta A is equal to W. Since the process is carried out reversibly, this W represents, since the process is carried out reversibly, this W represents the maximum work done by the system, and hence from this equation we get that is decrease in function A. Decrease in function A gives the maximum work done by the system, and therefore the function A is also called as the work function. या एलाच आपण काय म्हणतोय, हेल्महोल्ट्ज फंक्शन तर म्हणतोय, पण वर्क फंक्शन सुद्धा म्हणतोय. का तर डिक्रीज इन प्रॉपर्टी ए इज नथिंग बट मॅक्सिमम वर्क डन इन केस ऑफ द रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस. देअरफॉर द फंक्शन ए इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द वर्क फंक्शन. Similarly, for the system of fixed composition, the finite change in delta G is given as, we know delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. From the definition of free energy, काय J is equal to H minus Ts, we can write delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S for the finite change. Again, definition of enthalpy काय आहे, H is equal to E plus PV. From this we can write delta G is equal to delta E plus T delta V minus T delta S. But from the definition of Helmholtz work function, A is equal to E minus Ts. याच्यानुसार आपण काय लिहू शकतो, delta A is equal to delta E minus T delta S. Therefore, for these two quantity, कोणत्या delta E minus T delta S साठी आपण काय लिहू शकतो, delta G is equal to delta A plus P delta V. So, delta G is equal to delta A plus P delta V. Now, we know the relationship between maximum work and Helmholtz work function. Delta A is equal to minus W reversible. So, we can write delta G is equal to minus W reversible plus P delta V, or changing the signs throughout, we can write minus delta G इज इक्वल टू मायनसचं प्लस होईल W रिव्हर्सिबल मायनस P डेल्टा फी. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला PV टाईप ऑफ वर्क आणि रिव्हर्सिबल वर्क यांचं रिलेशन मिळाले कोणाबरोबर, डिक्रीज इन फ्री एनर्जी चेंज, दॅट इज डेल्टा G बरोबर. Therefore, this delta G gives maximum obtainable work due to change in volume at constant pressure, and such type of work is called net work done. This work is called net work done of the system. From this equation, we say that decrease in value of free energy change, that is delta G, at constant pressure and temperature is the measure of maximum non-mechanical work done by the system. Maximum non-mechanical work done by the system.